after the ED raids at Bhupesh Baghel's Durg residence and a lot of questioning with his son Chaitanya Baghel, the CBI came knocking Bhupesh Baghel's door yesterday over the Mahadev app book scam. And in fact, this entire scam has now become the epicenter of Chhattisgarh's politics, because yesterday close to 60 properties across Chhattisgarh, Bhopal, Kolkata and Delhi were raided. And in fact, all the premises of senior bureaucrats, senior police officials, as well as top politicians were raided over this entire scam. And in fact, Bhupesh Baghel, after the 14.5-hour raid that went on at his residences, he came out and addressed the media and very confidently attacked the Bharatiya Janata Party. He said that the motivational speaker and also a BJP supporter, Pradeep Mishra, when he attends the program of Ravi Utpal and Saurabh Chandrakar, who are the well-known promoters of Mahadev book app, no questioning is being done, and in fact no questions are raised and pointed to Pradeep Mishra, who attends and take all the services of the duo. In fact, the Bharatiya Janata Party has been in power for more than 1.5 hours and still they are unsuccessful in retaining both the duo and unsuccessful hugely in bringing them back to India. Several red corner notices have certainly been issued, but the unsuccessfulness is certainly at its peak, and that's what Bhupesh Baghel has been constantly emphasizing. And he also said that it was during his regime that 74 FIRs over this entire scam, 6,000 crore worth scam had been lodged, and in fact various accounts were seized and various people were arrested and put behind bars, and a thorough investigation ran. However, after the BJP came to power, nothing of this sort, no action has been taken against the promoters. What is the relation of Bharatiya Janata Party leaders with the promoters of Ravi Utpal and Saurabh Chandrakar, who are right now enjoying their time in Dubai, unaffected, unfazed? And he, in fact, also went on to say that the Bhilai residence that was raided, the Durg residence that was raided, a notice was served to me prior. However, there was no notice that was given to me for raiding my Raipur's official house. And in fact, for more than an hour, CBI officials were alone at my house with no presence of staff there. And since I was also not there, it was unauthorized that CBI officials were there and raiding my house constantly. And whatever they have recovered from that particular residence is certainly not my responsibility. That is what Bhupesh Baghel has said. And in fact, these raids are coming right after 15 days of ED raids. This is certainly very, very significant how Bharatiya Janata Party is now picking up a fight very directly with the General Secretary of Congress and also the Punjab in charge, who was about to go for a very crucial meeting to Delhi at AICC. However, couldn't go because of the raids. This is Sumi Rajappan for India Today with video journalist Raghavendra Pandey from Raipur, Chhattisgarh.